also spent 6 years in college, and I miss the feeling of college. It's nice to meet you. Yeah. Today I want to share 3 of my story with you. I hope you like them. The first story is about my fate with Tai Chi and effect of Tai Chi. I would like to ask everyone here, how many of you have practiced Tai Chi? How many?
Oh, one.
Oh yes, you have. Yeah.
For how long? 多长时间 One semester?
It's incredible that when you practice Tai Chi, there is an invisible and intangible flow of Qi. Do you know Qi?
What is Qi?
The first thing I did when I woke up early was to practice Kung Fu. First, like some people would drink coffee every morning when they wake up, how to learn Tai Chi. But I didn't know what was good about it. To understand what I was seeing, I started to learn yoga and Pilates. I meditate and focused on self-training and gradually learned the flow of Qi and internal strength. What is the difference between Tai Chi and Western sports? After I started practicing dance, I felt that Western fitness methods could help make people learn more effectively, more regularly, and more easily. Why? Because they are simple, regular, easy to operate, and easy to remember. Tai Chi emphasizes to self-guiding, and the flow of Qi and birth. I try to understand it from the inside. You also need to understand her from the outside through compassion. I hope everyone can find your favorites through exploration, step by step, down to earth. Thank you.
去吧去吧 You stop here, you stop here 小春你不去了爱美 好意思吗？
Today we are trying 骑士 First is 骑士
Yeah, the first form. Yeah, 骑士 the starting form.
Just like
It's like a balloon.
balloon. Inhale and exhale. Yes. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, nice. Right. Yeah, okay. Nice, nice. Okay, one more time. Inhale. Exhale. You're very nice. 画怎么样？画
The hips,
hips.
the waist.
关节要怎么样？画运动画。
或者有我说
Very nice. Maybe ski. Like ski. Yeah. Inhale. 1 and 2. 你这个功夫没有了呀，功夫。
一直都没了。
差不多，稍微等一下，一定要去。
行，那么咱垫第二个哈。这个东西一定要练的，不练就谢谢啊。白鹤亮翅啊，第二个这个白鹤亮翅，这个拿了这个是吧？贺老师给我翻译一下，贺。这叫什么？白鹤 ，white， 白鹤 ，Korean，C-R-A-N-E， 亮翅就是亮的这个翅 ，shoulder wings，the white bird。One, two, three, Nice. You have to learn Tai Chi with me. So later I send you one. Yeah. You can straight. You can straight back. Yeah. And two down. You know, up down. One, two, like ski up down. なるほど、日本語。One, two, yeah. Okay. Inhale.
Can you feel the flow of energy chi?
Yes.
Everyone.
No, just one, two. Nice. One and two, but not like that. No, just 日本語だと軸っていうんだよ。軸。中文叫中轴，你有一个中轴。Four is just balance. Four. You can feel it. Four. So. Clouds. Inhale, welcome. Exhale, we just 10 minutes. One and two. Okay, and with me, practice your leg. Okay. One and two. Yes. One and two. Okay. One and two. One and two. Nice. Yeah. So, 組み合わせて覚えちゃう。Next, your hands and legs. One, two. One, two. One, two. Yes. One, two. One, two. Nice. One, two. You're very nice. One, that's two. Okay. Can you repeat by yourself? 英文里せーのって何？ Or one? On one. On one. One and two. One and two. Use your step. Oh, two. One and two. One and two. And one and two. And one.
Camera size. Yeah.
R.
We're doing actually programming stuff like, programming is much more than the exercises. So for sometimes, so we have a few like last chances to doing that.
One, two, three. Nice. And.